Hi, and welcome to MultiCraft Academy. Today, I'm going to show you a cute little folio that you can choose and use. So, this is like a little belly band, and you can slide it up. Isn't she just darling? This is Winter Wishes, and that's the cover. And so this is talking about friendship never melts away. And we all have different friendships in our lives that help us. And so I made like a little pocket, scored and embossed here, did all the embossing. And then here we have a sheet there, have a little tag. So much powders all of the time. This is such a cute little folio. And then you have a little pocket here. And then you have some little journaling spots here. And a little pocket here. So I did all that scoring there. And try to just experiment with different scoring elements. So then it flips over. Then I love this. It says, let the adventure begin. And so many times we've had a lot of adventures in our lives, and this just reminds us to be adventurous. Try something new today. Try a different craft today. Write down what you are thinking about doing for the upcoming new year. And this is some more techniques here. And a little, and tried to do a little different design there. And that's it. I hope you all like this little folio. Again, it can expand out here. And when you flip it over, it does that. So it is so cute. I just gotta try to put it back together. Some of my things fell out, but this is a really cute design. And I appreciate you watching. Consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget the bell notifications. I'll try to show you some other different things that you can do. Okay, I really messed up here. And then with journaling, with some stenciling, I used the same paper, and I did this, and I tried to make like a little 3D effect. Not sure how it came out, but it's something. I hope you all have an amazing day, and thank you for watching the Journal Craft Show.